In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the frame size of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, my video doesn't really match my frame size, my sequence settings. And there are three options with which you can adjust this, two of which will slightly lower the quality of your video and one which will keep it. So the first option, select the video, go over to Effect Controls and click on Motion. And as you can see, we now have these handles appearing, and you can use these handles to drag out that video so it matches your frame size. Now it matches, but it has been slightly lowered in quality because you stretched it out. Let's Ctrl-Command-Z. Other option you have is selecting this video, right-clicking it, and then choosing Fit to Frame. And now it fits exactly to the frame. Again, it has been stretched out, so the quality will be slightly lower. Let's Ctrl-Command-Z again. The other option you have, which keeps your quality, is going to Sequence, and then here choosing Sequence Settings. And in Sequence Settings, you can set the frame size to match exactly the frame size of your video. And now you have adjusted the frame size of the video to match your sequence. Your quality of the video hasn't been lowered because it isn't being stretched out. So those are three options you have to adjust the frame size in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.